Now the next feature of perfect competition is free entry and exit of the firm. So student, this is a feature of perfect competition, that there will be free entry and exit of the firm. Like in the perfect competition, any firm can enter the industry and any firm can leave the industry without any restriction. There will be no restriction for the entry and exit of the firm. कोई भी फर्म अगर कभी भी बिजनेस परफेक्ट कंपटीशन बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहती है, फर्म को ज्वाइन करना चाहती है, तो ही कैन फ्री टू ज्वाइन द फर्म, ही कैन फ्री टू एंटर द फर्म, एंड इवन व्हेन ही वांट्स टू डिसॉल्व द फर्म, अगर फर्म को लॉसेस हो रहे हैं, प्रॉफिट नहीं हो रहा है, तो अगर वो फर्म बंद करना चाहती है और यू वांट टू शट डाउन द बिजनेस, तो एनी टाइम ही कैन एग्जिट फ्रॉम द फर्म ऑल्सो. There was no such any restriction in the entry and exit of the firm in perfect competition market. Any firm can join the industry and anytime he can leave the industry. So it depends upon the firm that there is a free entry and exit of the firm is there. Next feature is perfect knowledge. In the perfect competition market, there is a perfect knowledge about the goods, about the price of the commodity in the market. That means the buyers and seller both are having full knowledge about the market, because the product is similar, homogeneous product is sold, and also the price will be same, price remain constant. So the buyers को भी पता है, sellers को भी पता है कि what type of product is there in the market and what is the price of the commodity in the market. So there will be no any difference in the market, not any differences in the condition of the market. So in this type of market, there will be perfect knowledge about the product, about the price of the commodity in the market of commodity, that the both buyers and sellers has full knowledge, complete knowledge over the product. तो इस तरह के मार्केट में बायर्स को भी सेलर्स दोनों को ही परफेक्ट नॉलेज होता है मार्केट के प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में. नेक्स्ट इज इंडिपेंडेंट डिसीजन मेकिंग. And control over checks. So this is the feature of perfect competition market, that there is an independent decision making and they have control over checks. That means the perfect competition market, the firm can take their individual decision regarding the product, regarding the quantity of the goods produced. There will not be any interference in the decision making, that the firm can take their own decision that what type of goods he has to produce, how much quantity he has to produce. So there will be having independent decision making of the product, and it has control over the checks also, because the product will be decided by the producer and they are not having any control about the customers, about the other suppliers, etc. So there will not be any interference of the government also. So this type of market, they are having independent decision making. The firms are free to take their own decision regarding the products to be produced, regarding the expansion of the goods, expansion of the firm. That means they are not having any restriction, any control, any permission has to be taken from any of the authority. So the firm can take their independent decision, and independent decision making is there in the market. Seventh is perfect mobility. Mobility, that can move from one place to another. So the factors of production has perfect mobility in the market. That means factors of production, just like labors are there, the workers are there, they are also coming in factors of production. So they are perfectly mobile. They can move from one place to another. They can leave one firm and they can join another firm, because everywhere the same product is there and the same price is there in the market. So he can leave one firm and he can join other firm where they can get good remuneration, गुड वर्किंग कंडीशंस. तो यहाँ पर जो है परफेक्ट मोबिलिटी है फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन में, क्योंकि एक ही तरह का प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है तो वो कहीं पर भी फर्म को छोड़ के दूसरी फर्म को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. दे आर नॉट हैविंग फुल नॉलेज अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट and they can get the job any other firm where they can get full good remuneration, good condition of the market, good working place, working hours. So the factors of production are perfectly mobile, means mobility है, आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह इजीली जा सकते हैं. You cannot have any interference in the mobility, and you can get the job anywhere where you want to join. So there will be perfect mobility among the workers. Next feature is no extra transportation cost. So in the perfect competition market, there will not be any extra transportation cost will be there to purchase the commodity. The buyers has not moved from far off the places to purchase the commodity, and there will be no extra transportation cost he has to spend, because the product is available everywhere and the price is also same. तो बायर को कहीं बहुत दूर जाने की जरूरत नहीं. जैसे आप देखते हैं ना कि कुछ लोग होते हैं कि जो गुड्स को खरीदने के लिए कहीं दूर जाते हैं या अलग दूसरी जगह से मंगवाना पड़ता है, तो इसमें जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट लगता है, आने जाने में जो पैसा लगता है, वो इसमें कोई जीरो है. देयर विल नॉट बी हैविंग एनी एक्स्ट्रा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट, बिकॉज यहाँ पर जो प्रोडक्ट है वो एक ही जैसा प्रोडक्ट है और हर जगह अवेलेबल है, एंड ऑल्सो द प्राइस विल बी सेम. तो जब वही प्रोडक्ट आपको अगर अपने पास की दुकान शॉप पे मिल रहा है, तो वाई यू मूव फ्रॉम फार ऑफ द प्लेसेस टू परचेज द कमोडिटी. So in this type of market, there will be no extra transportation cost is there, because you can purchase the product anywhere, any place where you want to purchase, because same product is there and the same price is there. So these are the features of perfect competition. That students, I think you can understand what is perfect competition. क्या होता है perfect competition का मतलब है कि that it is a market where the price will be same and the firm is known as the price taker. For there are large number of buyers and sellers are there, sellers are there, and they are selling homogeneous product. They are selling same product, homogeneous product, and because of the same product, similar product, the price is also similar, price is constant, and the firm is known as the price taker. And also they are free to enter and exit of the firm. कभी भी business को join कर सकते हैं, कभी भी business को छोड़ भी सकते हैं, and they are having full knowledge about the market condition. Buyers and sellers दोनों को ही market की full knowledge है. They should know about the market condition, market price and product also. Independent, यहाँ पे अगर perfect knowledge है तो no producer can cheat the buyer. यहाँ पर ना तो बायर को कोई चीट कर सकता है, ना उनसे गलत प्राइस ले सकता है, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि क्या प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है और क्या प्राइसेस है. तो बिकॉज ऑफ परफेक्ट नॉलेज, नो वन कैन चीट बाय अदर्स, एंड इंडिपेंडेंट डिसीजन मेकिंग इज देयर एंड कंट्रोल ओवर द चेक्स. यहाँ पर देखिए फर्म जो है अपने डिसीजंस खुद लेती है, तो अगर उसको कभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो उसको कंट्रोल कर सकती है. ही कैन कंट्रोल द चेक्स द सिचुएशन दैट ही हैज़ टू टेक इमीडिएट डिसीजन. ही डज नॉट हैज़ टू कंसल्ट विद अदर्स. तो वेट नहीं करना पड़ता है कि अब हमें डिसीजन लेने के लिए हमें किसी से पूछना पड़ेगा. अगर जो फर्म के लिए जो सही है, ही शुड टेक द राइट डिसीजन एट द राइट टाइम. सो देयर विल बी इंडिपेंडेंट डिसीजन मेकिंग इज देयर and perfect mobility is there. That is, factors of production can move from one place to another for getting jobs, because everywhere the similar product is there and the similar price is there. And there is also no extra transportation cost. यहाँ पे कोई extra transportation cost भी नहीं है, क्योंकि goods हर कहीं available है और price भी similar है. There is the buyer has not to move far of the places to purchase the commodity. तो इसमें कोई भी extra transportation cost या extra पैसा आने जाने में या traveling में या loading वगैरह में नहीं लगता है. So there is no extra transportation cost is there. So these are the features of perfect competition. That perfect competition in the market where homogeneous product will be sold.